Welcome back to our fourth video in our series of new user training videos. So as we can see on the right, I now have my final band list with all my band members added, as well as their parts there. And I'm going to begin adding songs using this button. But before I do, I want to check this auto box. And the reason for that is this automatically will assign the part to that person when I add the song. And I'll show you what I mean with this. So as we add a song to the schedule, we can see the song list pop up. Just as we can with adding a person, we can search for a song in our database by title. So we're going to go ahead and use Above All. And if you use that checkbox there, you can see that there's 3 different keys. I'm going to go ahead and stick with B flat and the mid key, which is the original. So any mid key will always be the original key for that particular song. And once I hit add song, you can see that it now has automatically added the drum part to the person that's defaulted to the drum part. And the same thing for bass, it automatically assigned the bass part to my bass player. And again, all that's determined by how you set the default part in that user's profile. So as you can see, it's given me a one-to-one assignment for each track. Now this is great on tracks or songs that have rehearsal mixes available for all your team members. But what happens when you have a song that doesn't have that? Let's try and see. So we're going to use another song. We'll add another song to our set list, and for this one we'll do 10,000 Reasons. Again in the key of G. We'll add song again. You'll notice that this song has drums, bass, and piano, which it added to each instrumentalist or band member. But for my part, there is no electric guitar 1 on this song. So it didn't assign me anything by default. But what I can do is go back in and, well, maybe let's say for this Sunday, if we're going to do this song, I will bring an acoustic guitar with me and be responsible for that as well. So it's really easy. You just drag and drop the acoustic guitar track on to the person. And now I will be sent the rehearsal mix for electric guitar 1 on Above All and acoustic guitar for 10,000 Reasons, and I'll just switch as I normally would for a song. Another cool thing in this song list here is you can see and preview each part. So if I didn't know which acoustic part I wanted, I could preview that part and decide which one I was going to take and drag and drop that on there. Or if I really wanted to learn both, I could drag the second guitar part on there as well. So there's no limit to the amount of rehearsal mixes you can place or assign to each person. It's just limited by what you would care them to get. So again, the auto feature is very important. It'll save you a lot of time, but you can have the freedom to drag things on manually as well as needed. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how we confirm our order and how we actually send these rehearsal mixes to our band members.